Hello and welcome to this new video in which I'm going to talk to you about MBA in Business Analytics. It's again an interesting topic, and the genesis of this is that one of you reached out to me on YouTube and says, "Hey sir, can you tell me about MBA on Business Analytics?" And I asked him what he wants to know, and he told me what he wanted to know was that what is the curriculum of MBA Analytics? Please tell me. Do we need to be a good coder to make a good career in this? What kind of job profiles in what sectors people can get jobs after doing MBA Analytics? Is it really a good field? Or it is just a hype created by the training institute? A very good question he asked. Give me list of 10 to 15 colleges for the same in India. What is the difference between this and MTech data science offered by many IITs and other top colleges? And how to judge what to choose? A set of 7 great questions. So let me try and answer each of these, not necessarily in this order, but in some good order, right? Ready? Wonderful. So the top institute that I have come to know, and I know are some of the very reputed institutes like IIM Bangalore, IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Calcutta. Then then IIM Ranchi is one of them. Some of them are like Narsi Monji, NMMIS Mumbai. Then some of our lesser knowns like Chandigarh University, then Symbiosis Pune, Loyola Chennai, ITM Navi Mumbai, MIT Noida, NIT Trichy, Great Lakes Chennai, then IIM Amritsar, IIM Kashipur, Jagdish Seth Institute, MDI, and IMT Ghaziabad. So this is the list of almost 15 colleges that I've read out for you, where you could get admission into MBA Analytics. What is the curriculum typically of an MBA Analytics? See, it's a multidisciplinary program, and it is to basically help you learn and be comfortable with analytical tools and methodologies to solve business and social problems. So remember this: whatever tools and methodologies you learn you'll be able to solve business problem, and that's why it is called MBA. This will help you define problems, use the analytical tools and techniques to identify patterns, gain insights, develop business strategies, and make better decisions. That is important. And during this program, you will be given inputs on various management disciplines and in-depth understanding of the data science. So it's a good amalgamation of data science as well as management. You will be required to have analytical mindset, understand methodology that will help facilitate innovative application of analytics across different functions of management. So in different functions, you'll be able to apply that. Now, these programs typically try and achieve various things like understanding various elements of analytics, business context, technology, data science. Also go into some history of emergence of analytics as a comparative strategy. Learn storytelling using data and effective communication using analytics. Learn various tools and techniques in analytics with business application. Learn to solve problems from different industry like aerospace, banking and finance, healthcare, insurance, manufacturing, pharmaceutical, retail, services, software, sports, etc. It's an integrated view of management and analytics, focuses on problem solving and decision making using analytics across various functional areas of management in different domains that we talked about. You will acquire analytical mindset to generate innovative solutions, and you will have continuous interaction with the industry. Now, what kind of job profiles and what sectors can you get jobs after doing this MBA Analytics? I'm going to read out certain positions without going into details. At the start, you could be a data analyst or a business analyst, data science manager, business intelligence manager, data engineer, marketing analyst, specifically if you want to go into marketing, finance analyst to analyze the financial information and do modeling, operations analyst, supply chain analyst, risk analyst. In a lot of financial companies and high risk companies, this is an interesting job. E-commerce and retail analyst, consulting, IT and technology, finance and banking, Now, these are the various sectors that you can get jobs. You can get into IT and technology, finance and banking, healthcare, hospitals, pharmaceutical company, retail and commerce, like all the retailers that you have, consulting firms, manufacturing companies, telecommunication, government and public sector. So, which sector is not using analytics? That's the question. Now, for those people who are more experienced as seniors, you could even get leadership roles. Depends on number of years of experience you have. The top is Chief Analytics Officer position, Chief Data Officer, Data Science Director, Manager position, AI Research Scientist, AI Product Manager, Chief Technology Officer for technology company, Advisor in Government for Data and AI, Analytics and AI Consultant. So there are variety of things, and the kind of space that you could look at is aerospace, banking, finance, healthcare, insurance, manufacturing, pharmaceutical, retail services, software and sports, as we talked earlier. Now, the question is it a really good field or just a hype created by a training institute? What I understand is it's not just a hype. It's really rapidly growing in highly relevant field driven by the more and more importance of data-driven decision making in both business and other sector. Now, data has been important earlier also, but now the data is lot more available, especially if you get into big data kind of work and artificial intelligence. You need lot of analytics, right? And there are some good reasons for this. Now, there is an increasing demand for data professionals with the advent of big data and digital revolution. There is an unprecedented amount of data being generated every day, right? And the organizations are becoming more and more keen to use this potential of this data to get valuable insights and have a competitive results. As a result, a high demand of skilled data professionals who can think about business as well as analytics and data science is increasing. Analytics is having increased business value, right? The analytics and data science provide tangible business value by helping organizations to make informed decisions, to save costs, revenue growth, and improve customer satisfaction. So these things are being used more often. This area has diverse applications, right? It is, as we saw in many areas like finance, healthcare, e-commerce, etc. So the potential is everywhere. Also, now you have started, depending on the kind of field that you get into and the company, you are being offered good salaries, and I could even say lucrative salary. There is continuous growth and innovation in this, and it is becoming a globally relevant area. So one can say with reasonable confidence that it's really not a hype, but it really is a job for the future. Now, do you need to be a good coder to make a career in this? Not really. I mean, if you are a coder, it is good for you, but it is not a necessary condition. Let's understand what are the differences between the field of analytics and data science, right? So if you are a pure data science, you will need to do coding, because you will need to fetch data and a lot of good data, big data, and for that you will need to do coding. But if you are a MBA and business analyst, someone else can do that job for you, right? And your focus will be more to understand the business problems and find the right methodologies, frameworks that you can use to solve them. Then make sure that you get data, analyze, gain insight, and then offer the meaningful solutions to that. So it is good to have, but not necessary to have. And if you have coding background, you would have certain advantage, needless to say. Now, the last question probably is that, there are similar courses being offered by many IITs in MTech data science and other top colleges. So what are the difference between the MTech data science and the MBA analytics? Basically the differences are in what they do, the curriculum, and what kind of career can you make out of each of these. Now, in terms of the focus, the MTech data science is primarily a technical and focuses on building expertise in data science, machine learning, statistic analysis, data engineering, and programming. Now, these programs are basically designed to produce skilled data scientists, data engineers, and machine learning experts, not business people. Now, MBA Analytics, on the other hand, has more business-oriented focus. They combine analytics and data science with core business subjects like marketing, finance, operations, and strategy. And the whole idea is to produce data-driven business leader who can manage, you can use the data insights to make strategic decisions. You see the difference. So one are pure data manipulators or data user. Second are the people who use data to make business decisions. Now, in terms of curricula, the data science, MTech data science program typically includes advanced mathematics, machine learning algorithm, data visualization, big data technologies, NLP, computer science courses, and you get hands-on experience on programming languages like Python and R. Now, MBA Analytics, on the other hand, includes core management subjects, which is not taught in MTech data science, such as finance, marketing, HR, etc. Also, then you get covered analytics specific courses like data mining, business intelligence, predictive modeling, and data driven decision making, right? Now, career outcomes specifically are, from doing a MTech data science, you will get into technical roles in the industry like data scientists, machine learning engineers, data analysts, data engineers, or research position in academia and research organization. Whereas MBA Analytics, you would be able to get into positions like business analysts, data consultants, analytics manager, product manager, or even take general management positions. And we talked about many of these. Now, the skill emphasis, let's talk about the skill emphasis. The skill emphasis in MTech data science and building technical and related to data analytics, etc. We talked about that. Whereas in MBA Analytics is a combination of the technical knowledge, business acumen, communication skill, leadership capabilities, and basically you will be equipped to bridge the gap between the technical teams and business stakeholders. Now, what do you need to do to get into each of these streams? Now, MTech data science requires a background of computer science, engineering, mathematics, and related fields. And MBA Analytics is more inclusive, welcoming students from diverse educational backgrounds, including engineering, commerce, science, and even arts. So do you get an idea of what is the difference between MTech data science and the MBA Analytics? Now the last question is how to judge what to choose. Now it entirely depends on many factors. First, it depends on your interest. So think about your interests, strengths, and passions. What interests you? Then second, you look at what kind of career do you want to make. Do you want to become a data scientist kind of a thing, or do you want to go into business? And once you decide that, it becomes very clear where you should go. To think of your short-term and long-term career goals, 5, 10, 20 years, and see where you want to be. And if you want to be a general manager, there's no point doing a MTech data science, right? But if you want to remain as a data analyst and become an expert in data analysis, then MTech is right for you. Talk to some people who have done both these areas. Talk to MTech guys who are done these courses from IITs. Talk to MBA Analytics people, and you get some more idea. Look at the curriculum, what we told you. Look at that and see for yourself, right? Evaluate long-term demand. Where is going to be more demand? Business or data science only? Seek guidance from someone like me, mentors, right? And you could, if possible, you could even consider dual degree, right? And stay flexible, stay open to change once you make the decision. So that's what I have for you in today's video. I hope this helps you understand the differences between the two streams and know more about MBA Analytics program, where you can do, how you can do, what is the outcome, what are the curriculums, what kind of jobs can you get. And if you have more questions like this, do feel free to message me on YouTube or anywhere you see this video. I'll be happy to answer, give you my advice and answer your questions for you.